Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss about different types of motion. First is a straight line motion. So what is straight line motion? As you can see in the picture, this girl, she is walking on this rope, and while walking she is taking help of this stick to balance her weight. If she don't follow the path which is straight line, she will fall down. So like this, in a real life scenario, we will see there are so many objects which travels in a straight line. They are supposed to travel in a straight line. If they deviate their path, that is not allowed. Second motion is circular motion. As you can see in the picture, this boy is rotating this ball using this string. He will make rotation about himself. A circular orbit he will do, circular orbit he will make, and then somewhere, some point, he will throw this ball. This is an example of a circular motion or a type of motion. Another example, or sorry, another type of motion is rotating motion or rotation. See, this is a table fan. For this table fan, there are these blades. These blades are mounted on some shaft, and as these blades, they will rotate with that shaft, and wind will come out of this fan. This is one of the example of rotating motion. Last one is vibrational motion. So this is swing machine, and needle of the swing machine, it will move up and down. The up and down motion, we will call it as a vibration or vibrational motion. So there are four types. Basically, we will say straight line motion, then circular motion, third is rotating motion, and the last is vibration or vibrational motion. Another type we can say as a combination of all the above, or at least what you have discussed. So it may be combination of straight line motion, circular motion, rotating motion, and vibration. Rather than this, there are two more motions that we will study. First is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So what is uniform motion and what is non-uniform motion in detail, we will discuss in coming videos. Thank you.